Hurry up.
So we good?
Right there. What, brother?
This one needs tape.
Okay, hold on. Put it right here.
If you get one.
Stand up.
Sorry.
Just walk straight.
Yep. Goes me. All right, now burning.
Burning, burning, burning.
All right, go up there.
Roger, Sergeant.
Good job.
I'll borrow that grabber real quick.
Mm-hmm.
What's the line? Like, how do you know where you're squeezing?